Hey guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Air Max Solo. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the Nike Air Max Solo in the black metallic dark grey colorway. We've got this in the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's US men's 8.5. So let's go unboxing. And here they are. A new take on the Air Max, and this incorporates a lot of influences from the Air Max 90 or Air Max 3 and the Air Max 180, which is one of my favorite sneakers of all time. So let's get on to the reviews, and we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see the waffle-esque print with the Nike logo. It's got the lettering there as well, Nike Air Max, the swoosh. The part that takes inspiration from the Air Max 180 is this kind of exposed air that's here on the outsole, and you can see this is the air part, the air bubble right there. Or it's meant to like replicate it, because it's not really the exposed air bubble, but it's similar to the one that isn't found on the Air Max 180. So that is where that influence comes from. Looking at the midsole unit, so this midsole unit is a foam midsole, and you can see the Air Max unit there at the heel with the cushioning right there. But it doesn't look like it's chamber. It looks like, if you look through it, it's pretty transparent, because usually you can see the pillars from an Air Max unit, but here it's just one big bubble essentially. So that's the Air Max 90 aspect of it, or a lot of Air Maxes you can see through it, it's on the heel, and that's where the Air Max 90 influence comes from. It's right there on the heel. Looking at the upper, so this upper is all synthetics, all man-made materials. You've got your meshes that make the predominant body of the sneaker, and then you can see out here at the toe guard that it's all synthetic suede, or well, it doesn't feel like a suede, it's like a, I can't really describe it, it's like a Durabuck kind of thing. But it's all synthetic materials, there's nothing leather on here. Looking at the laces, you've got flat laces in the normal lace function, padded tongue with the Air Max logo right there. Looking at the lateral side, you've got the Nike swoosh, and again, the main body of the sneaker is made out entirely of a mesh. Medial side is the same with the Nike swoosh. Heel, you got your Nike Air, which can be found in a lot of Nike Air Max units. And if you look at the collar, the ankle support is very nicely padded. And then the insole, you've got the Nike Air logo there for you. And it's essentially a foam midsole as well. That rounds up my review of this sneaker that's kind of dedicated to the Air Max 90 and the Air Max 180. To be fair, it looks like a slimmed down version of an Air Max 90. Here for it, very lightweight, I must say as well. I mean, Air Maxes were made for running. These are essentially sneakers for running. And they've got all the heritage there found in your typical Nike shoe. So with all that said, I'm going to try these on for you. So roll that footage of me trying these Nike Air Max Solos on.
When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. I'm a UK size 7.5. My toes are where they need to be. These are really comfortable, really stylish looking sneakers, guys. Can kind of feel the max bubble on my heel. Great support. These look really cool on as well. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. How do they look on? Would love to know. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Before I sign off, if you're wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of Uniqlo cargo joggers in the black colorway. At the time of this recording, I think it's still available, so do check out the Uniqlo website. This is not a Uniqlo ad, but if anyone from Uniqlo is watching, and we know that you are, throw some joggers at your boys. Until next time guys, follow us at Oneupreviewz Z at the end on Instagram and on TikTok. I'm signing off. Peace, bye, love you.